Hey everyone, as a person in the community and also as a realtor with Seven Gables Real Estate, I am deeply committed to supporting local businesses. Listen, we are all in this together, and the best way to do that is to support each other as much as possible. Now today I'm at Antoine's Cafe in San Clemente. Now listen to their commitment level. They are open every single day from 8 to 2. And they are offering both breakfast and lunch, but they come up with something in addition to really serve the community. They're all about that. They're a family-run business, and they're offering dinner specials every day for about $30, and they are really, really great things for your family. They rotate the menus quite often. So we're going to be checking in with Veronica today, who's the owner, and just find out what they're doing to serve all of you. And once again, Antoine has been here 30 years. Let's support them. They're a American cuisine with a little French twist, which I love. And once again, they're here to serve you. So let's check in with Veronica now.
Hi Jules, thanks for coming in and welcome to Antoine's Cafe. We're open every day, like you said, 8 to 2. And since this whole craziness happened, we decided to stay open for takeout only. But we also added cookies, banana bread, different pastries. Then for all the people that are working every day, we decided we're gonna change the rules a little bit. So we do dinners for two for $30. We have a chef that used to be at the Ritz-Carlton. He prepped those dinners. We do small batches, and almost every day there's something new. People can just warm it up, it's easy, and they don't have fast food or pizza every night. They can have something nicer. We're definitely part of the community. We love San Clemente. We're not going anywhere, so I told everybody unless the government shuts me down, I'll be here. We have great story to share after all this is gone. People that have been coming for buying gift card to make sure we stay in business, or buying banana bread for all their friends and family, and it's just amazing. And this is why we live here. This is what I fell in love with San Clemente, and we're just happy to be here. Not easy every day, of course. It's been a challenge. Every day is different, but we're up for it. And I'm not going back to France, so everybody's stuck with me. I'm staying here.